Hello viewers, let's solve this exponential equation. We have 6x all to the power of 6 equals 6 to the power of 2 to the power of 3. So what's the value of x here? So now we are going to split this inside into two. We're going to have 6 to the power of 6, then multiply by x to the power of 6, that is from the law of indices, then equals here 6 to the power of 2 to the power of 3. So that will give us 8. That is this to the power of 3. We are going to have 8 here. So now what's the next thing to do here? We're going to divide. We divide both sides by 6 to the power of 6. So you can see that this is going to cancel out this. So we're going to left with x to the power of 6 equals, now from here we are having the same basis 6, so we pick 1, take away 6 from 8 power, we have 8 minus 6. So now from there, so we have x to the power of 6 equals 8 minus 6, that will give us 2, right? So now from there, so the next thing we're going to do is if I multiply both sides here 6 and multiply this by 6 equals 6, then I multiply this one also by 1 over 6. So you can see that this cancel this. Okay, then we are going to be left with x equals, now 2 here 1, 2 here 3, we have 6 to the power of 1 over 3. Then lastly, we can have it to be in this form, or you can write it in root form, that is cube root of what? Cube root of 6. And that's the solution. If you enjoyed the class, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime we upload a new content. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.